This is a short description of one method to install GGT footing. Although there are several methods for installation, this method is safe and effective and requires the least amount of heavy equipment. GGT comes in bales. Each bale is tightly compacted and weighs about 300 pounds. The bales will be delivered to you on a pallet. You will need equipment to unload the freight truck. Before you begin, groom your arena. Loosen the sand so it is fluffy and not compacted. Do not water the arena at this time. Next, divide the arena into equal portions so you can spread the GGT evenly across the surface. For example, let this rectangle represent your arena. Let's say you have 8 bales of GGT. Divide the arena into equal sections and place the bales into each section equally. This will assure the most even distribution of the product. The bales are quite heavy and it will take several people and equipment to move them. Place the bales into the arena. Remove any plastic wrapping and remove the baling wire. There are 3 wires per bale. Make sure you get this wire out of your arena and into the trash. Now, distribute the GGT into the measured off areas. Big chunks are fine at this stage. Next, break up the big chunks by hand. Place the GGT evenly across the arena. Another easier method to spread the GGT is to use a manure spreader. In order for the GGT to be worked into the sand, the GGT and sand must be wet. Also, you will need to have the right kind of grooming equipment. Here we are using a Parma arena groomer. If you are using a different type of groomer, it must have a tilling type action to properly mix the materials. A chain arena drag will not properly mix the sand and GGT together. Once the GGT has been spread evenly across the surface, it is time to wet it down. The GGT and sand should be saturated without creating any standing pools of water. The wetter the better, but don't create a mud puddle. Next, with the proper type of arena groomer, such as the Parma arena groomer, start with the tines only and begin mixing the product into your sand surface. This will take some time and many passes. Next, set the leveling bar so that the footing will be overturned. This is necessary for a consistent blending. Once the GGT is worked in, you are ready to ride. Depending on the use, it may take a couple of weeks to fully mix in and adhere to your soil. The surface will continue to get more stable as this process occurs. Riding on the footing at this time is fine and will help mix it in. Here is a look at the footing without GGT. There is no resistance, creating shear and loss of tracking. The footing just slides away without any support. Here is a look at the footing with GGT. You can see the footing is firm, supportive, will retain moisture, yet has the added cushioning needed for today's performance horses. GGT is a great choice for all types of arenas. Should you have any questions about GGT or our other fine footing products, call Premier Equestrian at 800-611-6109 or visit us on the web at premierequestrian.com. Thank you.